my Lord, the Most High. So we are in the down position, but we are at the lowest in position, but we are saying He's the high, He's the high, He's the highest. So Allah likes very much to see this scenario. We are in sajda, in the lowest position, but we are pronouncing and stating that He's the highest, He's the highest, He's the highest, subhanallah. And you will find a lot of medical benefits. Due to the time constraint, I don't want to discuss in detail here. Just one thing I want to share precisely, that in sajda, your brain position becomes lower than your heart. Your brain is lower than your heart, so you get more blood supply. It will give you a very good effect on your memory, in your vision, in your hearing. That's why Prophet ﷺ used to offer long sajda, very long. Ummul Mu'minin Aisha